Hey, what's up? How's it going? Now in 5 minutes I'll tell you a strategy that every beginner in trading can use. But before that, subscribe, like and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos. Firstly, I invite you to my Telegram channel. There is a lot of useful information. We select the candlestick chart type with a time frame of 15 seconds. We connect the zigzag, RSI and stochastic oscillator indicators. For zigzag, we set the deviation to 8, the depth to 18, the backstep to 6. We will also make it thicker and in a different color so that it is clearly visible. Next, RSI, we set the period to 8 and also set the colors for ease of analysis. You can take the same as mine or you can set your own. For the stochastic oscillator, we enter the values 8, 2, 2 and the moving average type will be EMA. At this stage we are fully prepared and we begin to search for trading situations. Found that it's possible to open a buy trade on the Euro-Swiss franc trading pair. Let me explain the logic of the strategy. First, we look at the chart and the zigzag indicator. If we want to open a buy trade, the first signal will be that the chart and the indicator have been pointing down for more than 5 minutes. Secondly, we look at the RSI indicator and stochastic oscillator and see that they are both in the oversold zone. This will be the second and the third buy option signal. The forecast is correct and we made money. Let's move on. Right now on the trading pair Australian Canadian dollar, let's take a closer look at the chart. What do you see? I see a completely opposite situation. And here I open a sell option. This is due to the fact that there has been a long-term growth for about 7-8 minutes. This is our first potential sell signal. Secondly, on the RSI indicators and the stochastic oscillator, you can see that they are both in the overbought zone. Moreover, they have already gone down. This is our second and third sell option signal. Our analysis is correct, the strategy works as it should and we made money on this deal. Found an opportunity to open a sell trade on the Australian dollar Japanese yen trading pair. The logic for opening a trade here is exactly the same as the last time. Let me repeat it again. Firstly, here has been a long-term growth for about 7-8 minutes. This is our first potential sell signal. Secondly, on the RSI indicator and the stochastic oscillator, you can see that they are both in the overbought zone. This is our second and third sell option signal. Once again, the combination of these indicators help to analyze the chart correctly. I decided to try opening the OTC market. I chose the Australian Canadian dollar trading pair and open a buy trade. I'm sure that you have already understood how the strategy works. If not, then rewind a couple of minutes ago. Here I will also mark 2 levels. During the trade I opened one overlap and in the end it wasn't needed. since the trades were closed with a profit. At this point, the video has come to the end. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you success and I am waiting for you in my Telegram channel.